You see that guy in there? I guess we can safely say there are no more birds left in this birdhouse. Alright, there it goes. Well, we had a nest in there. I don't think we have one anymore. Well, there might be a nest, but there's nothing in that nest, I guess. Other than a big old snake. Yep, he smashed all the eggs. Come on out of there, buddy. Oh, he did smash all the eggs. Look at that. The eggs are smashed. Let's see, he's not gonna be happy about coming out of there. There he is. Ah, Jeffrey, no. He must have gone in last night and eaten the mama bird, because the eggs are too small to do that. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna get you. Yeah, you better be careful. You better be careful. You better be careful. You better be careful. No, don't bite it. There we go. Alright, the bird eater. End of story.